In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel, and it doesn't even matter how many subscribers you have. What's up guys, Darius here back with another video, and today I want to talk about and show you 5 different ways that you can monetize your channel, and each way will require different subscribers. But before we get started, as always, if you get any value from this video whatsoever, please consider giving it a big thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, because I do upload every so often, and whenever I do upload, I try to give you guys as much value as I can in a YouTube video. So, let's begin. The first way that you can monetize your channel is through AdSense. This is the most obvious way, it's the most easiest way of them all. It really doesn't require that much work. All you have to do is make videos on YouTube, meet the requirements to monetize your channel, which at this point is I think 4,000 hours of watch time per year and 1,000 subscribers. Once you have that, just go in your settings, enable monetization, and whenever you upload videos, YouTube is automatically going to put ads on your videos. Now this is very easy. Anybody can do it. If you meet the requirements, you just enable it like it's literally a setting in the YouTube backend, and you have ads. Then you link it to your AdSense account, which then links to your bank account, and whenever you reach the $100 threshold, well, there's money that is being deposited in your account. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. There's very low barriers to entry, and that's why I rank it number 5 on my list, because it's so easy, and also because you don't make that much money from it. I mean, we all know AdSense pays very little for the amount of views that you get. I think it's like $2 per 1,000 views. Like that's very little money. To make significant amounts of money with AdSense, you need to have significant amount of views and subscribers. If you don't have these, then you're not going to make that much money with AdSense. But still, it's a way to make money. It's a great way to get started, but it should never be your sole and your main income through YouTube. If you're going to make a YouTube channel and if you're going to be serious about YouTube, AdSense should be the least of your incomes, because quite frankly, it's the worst. But then again, it's a way to make money. So if you're just starting out, this is perfect for you. The second way to monetize your channel on our list is to get direct audience support. And what I mean by that is usually take Patreon, for example. Patreon is the best example. You have an audience, they like to watch your videos, they watch regularly, they subscribe to your channel, and you want to get them to financially support your channel. So you make a Patreon account, you offer different perks, and then you tell them about it, and you get them to subscribe, to pay $5, $10, $20, whatever you want per month in exchange for different things. Now this is better than AdSense because you're getting more money per subscriber than you were getting from AdSense. Like if you're doing AdSense, you're getting very low amounts of money per each viewer, per each subscriber. But if you're doing Patreon, well, you can get upwards of $5, $10, $20 per subscriber, which is good. And you get that every single month consistently. So you're not only not affected by the adpocalypse, you're not affected by demonetization, but you also have a way to support directly to be supported directly from your audience through Patreon. But the bad thing about Patreon is, sure, you're getting more money, but oftentimes you have to give the people something that they pay for, right? They subscribe $5 a month, so they get the $5 a month tier, which means, I don't know, maybe an extra live stream every single month. Whatever the tier is, whatever the system that you have in place in Patreon, you have to put in more work to give to your subscribers. So that's the con of it. Like, sure, you're making more money, but you're also having to put a lot more work into it, unless you're running Patreon as a donation service, right? But if you do that, chances are you're going to get less people to convert, less people to support you, because people are going to want to support the creator more if they're also getting something in return. So if, for example, you have a day job or you have other responsibilities that you have to take care of, doing Patreon and having that much work may not be worth it. But if you're somebody that has a lot of free time and you have a decent subscriber base, you can very well set up a Patreon and get a nice, good extra source of income. The third on our list is to get sponsorships. Now, sponsorships pay a lot more than AdSense. They pay a lot more for Patreon, depending on the amounts of views that you get. And they're a very good way to monetize your channel. But there's a little asterisk. You're not going to see any sponsorships if you don't have that many views, right? Like a sponsorship is basically a company that comes to you, they see that you have a channel, maybe their product is related to your channel, to what you talk about, and they're like, hey, I'll give you this amount of money if you talk about my product and get your audience to buy my product, right? Sometimes it might be a flat fee, sometimes it might be a commission, sometimes it might be a fee based on the amounts of views that specific video gets. That's good because it pays a lot more than AdSense, and you have a direct contact with companies. You can build relationships. You can have multiple sponsors in each videos, or you can have multiple videos for that one sponsor, you're very free to do it and approach it however you want to approach it. But you need to have upwards of, I'd say, maybe 50,000 subscribers to see any actual real good sponsors, right? If you don't get that many views, no company is gonna want to use you to promote their product, because it doesn't make sense, right? You're not getting any views, they're gonna pay you for nothing, or if they pay you, they're gonna pay you very little, because the rates usually go by the amount of views that you get. So that's a good way to make money, but you have to have a lot of subscribers to make significant income and to make consistent income with sponsorships. But nonetheless, it's a very good way to monetize your channel. The fourth way to monetize your channel is through affiliates. Now, this is where it's really starting to get interesting, because with affiliates, you don't need that many views, that many subscribers, that much traction on your channel to make significant amounts of money. Affiliates is basically you're selling somebody else's product. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you have a channel about electronics. You're reviewing different electronics, whether it's a computer, it's a phone, it's a tablet, whatever it is that you're reviewing. You can put an affiliate link in your description to, say, Amazon, for example. That's the easiest one that you can do. And whenever people click on that link and they buy the product through your link, because they clicked on your link and then they went and purchased the product, you would get a percentage of that sale as commission. That's what affiliate is. It's affiliate marketing, right? So let's say, for example, you have, like I said, the electronic review channel, and you're trying to sell a computer. A computer can sell for $1,000. And let's say you get an affiliate commission of 10% on that. Sometimes you might get 2%, sometimes you can even get 25, 30%. It really depends on the product, the affiliate marketplace that you're working with. But let's just take 10%, for example. 10% of $1,000 is $100. So one sale that you make, you would get $100 per sale. So of course, you don't need that many viewers, you don't need that many subscribers to make these sales, right? If you get one person to buy the product, you've made $100. You've made so much more money than you would make through AdSense if you have the same amount of views. So this is a very, very good way to monetize your channel, and it's a way that doesn't require that many views and that many subscribers. The only drawbacks of this is you need to find a specific niche. You need to have a channel built around a certain niche, and you need to start building a following and then putting your affiliate links without it seeming like you're only doing this for the affiliate links for the money, right? You want to actually give value to your audience so that they, after they receive value from you, they're like, hey, I want to check out this product, and they want to get this product through you because they trust you. If you're reviewing electronics, they trust your review. If you say that this product is good and that people should buy it, there should be that element of trust. And then if you can have that element of trust, you would get a lot of money with affiliate sales. I've seen people make so much money consistently per month. It's ridiculous. So this is a very, very good way to monetize your channel. And finally, the last way to monetize your channel. What's better than selling somebody else's product than to sell your own product, right? You're cutting the middleman, you're cutting all the extra expenses, all the revenue goes directly to you minus the cost that you paid for that product. But sometimes if you sell a digital product, there's very little cost involved, so you can make a lot of money. Now, usually how I see this happen, and the reason I put this in number one, is because I've seen people make millions of dollars with this with very little following, very little subscribers, very little views. Usually what happens is, I've talked about this in previous videos, people get into a niche, they become experts, they learn a skill, they become an expert in that skill, and then they build a course teaching people that skill. Usually it's how to make money, right? They find a way to make money online, they become very good at it, they make very much money with it, and then they make the course, sell it to people who also want to make money and who also want to learn that skill. Now that's very good, because I've seen courses sell for $500, $1,000. Tai Lopez has his courses at $1,000, $2,000, right? Grant Cardone has a lot of courses at different price points. You don't need that many sales to make large amounts of money. I've seen somebody go from, he was making like $10,000 a month selling on Amazon. Then he built a course teaching people how to sell on Amazon, making $10,000 a month. And then with like 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers, he already had made $1 million. Now that was insane. I saw this happen, and I know that it's a possibility. So if you have a skill, if you know something, if you're good at something and you can teach it to others and it would be worth hundreds of dollars, then make a YouTube channel, build an audience, build trust. Don't sell the product right away, right? Build trust. Like, you have to get people to want to buy it. They have to believe that they're going to get some sort of value from the product that you're selling. Once you have that, create a course. It's easy. You can just create a course once, spend a lot of hours, spend a week creating a course, do it full time for that whole week, and then your course is set up. There's no more work involved. All you have to do is keep making YouTube videos and then keep promoting your course, keep getting people to buy your course. If you're selling a course for even $500, like if you get 10 sales, that's $5,000. If you get 100 sales, that's $50,000. That's a lot of money for very, very little work. Like, that's why I put this number one, because it's really, in my opinion, the best way to make a good living, to make a large amount of money on YouTube. And it's really the best way to monetize your channel as far as I know right now. Alright, so there you have it. 5 different ways that you can monetize your channel. Whichever way you choose, that depends on you. It depends on your audience, your channel type, what you want to do. Do you want to sell other people's products? Do you want to sell your own products? Really, whatever you do, it's up to you. I've given you the tools to be able to monetize your channel in 5 different ways. If you got any value from this video whatsoever, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, because I do upload every so often. And whenever I do upload, just like I've done today, I try to give you guys as much value as I can in a YouTube video. My name has been Darius. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in a different video. Peace.